Hello everyone, welcome to Quick's product demo video. In this we will show how a merchant can share multiple ordering channels with the customers and how customers can actually use any of the channels to place an order with their favorite merchant. So there are three ways. First one is Quick Merchant app. Second one is the Order Direct web page link shared by the merchant. And third one is in-store or remote ordering QR code. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's see the first option, which is Quick Aggregator app. So once you click on the app, it will show you various categories on the top. Currently, for a POC, we have mentioned only iconic restaurants, curated restaurants, and specialty food stores. You can just scroll through this and then select any particular merchant restaurant that you want to place order with. For example, we select this Rhythms Addict. You will see the ratings given by previous customers and you click on order online. These are the categories provided by merchant. If I want to order some starters, I'll select whichever I want, and then once I have finalized my order, I'll click on checkout. Here there are options available about whether you want to do home delivery or you want to self pickup. Accordingly, you can select the option. For adding address, there are pre-saved options like home address, work, or any other address. Or if you want, you can add your existing location also. Check your order. If you want anything else to be ordered from the suggestions, you can select that one also. And then proceed to pay. We will also ask for order confirmation, the address confirmation. Then on payment page, there are multiple options available from bill summary, there are loyalty points, various coupons which are provided will be listed over here. Then there are three payment methods, quick wallet, cash on delivery, card and net banking UPI. So we use a very safe and secure and fast payment gateway which offers various options like Paytm, wallet, debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking. So once you select whichever option you want to use for your payment and then pay the amount, it will place the order with the merchant. Post that, delivery partner will be assigned who will pick up and deliver your order in no time. So this is first method. Second method is if the restaurant or the merchant can send their direct order link to the customers on their social media pages or through WhatsApp also. So assume that Rhythms Addict Cafe has sent this link to the customer and customer wants to place a direct order. And here the benefit is that they can offer discounts for placing direct orders. So like Rhythm Addict Cafe says, now order your favorite pizza directly from us and get flat 20% discount. Click to order. So customer clicks on this link and they without any need for downloading app they directly can see the menu page where they can just select whichever product they want to order. And then again check the review the items, select the address and then proceed to pay. Here also we are asking for address confirmation. Once you confirm the order, it will redirect you to the payment page. Again, same payment options are available over here. And once you pay, the order will be placed and delivered quickly. The third option is the QR code option, which can be used on your packaging material, on your pamphlets, which are you sending to the customers. The merchant can send it, or it can be displayed on your social media pages or shared on WhatsApp. Or it can be used as your digital menu for in-store ordering as well. So this is the third option. So now suppose I have received the QR code and I have scanned it. This will again take me to the same ordering page where I can see the entire menu and I can place my order. So these are the three different ordering channels which are provided as all-in-one solution in quick order. And the best part is for merchant, they need not open or manage different dashboards for the same thing. They can manage orders, menu, inventory, payments for all these channels through one single easy to manage dashboard, which is like this. So they get web panel as well as a merchant app to manage their orders. So these are the order lists. They can click on this menu, they can change the menu, edit, add pictures, etc. etc. They have entire freedom. They can set their SEO, they can check their analytics, they can set discounts the way they want. So complete freedom is actually given to all the merchants. They can check their account details, languages, preferences, set their timing whenever as per their opening and closing hours. If they want to offer a pre-scheduling order option, etc. etc. So this all-in-one solution is given as an affordable solution to the merchants. Thank you.